Hi Taurus, and welcome to Phoenix Rising 1111. Here to do your love reading for June 2020 for the collective for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Earth signs. If you would like a personal reading, my information is in the description box below. You can email me at phoenixyan1111@gmail.com and you'll get further information there. So let's jump right into this for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for June 2020. We're going to use the Tarot Illuminati deck. We're going to pull some major arcana cards from the Tarot of Dreams deck. We'll clarify anything that needs to be clarified with the Gilded Tarot. I'll pull some Romance Angel cards for you, some Archangel cards, and the Nature's Whispers Oracle cards. So let's see what you got going on. We've had some bouncy off-the-wall readings. I hope yours is better. Jeez. I am an intuitive reader. I'm blunt to the point. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'll tell you what I see. Not what you want to hear always, but I will tell you. First one out of the deck is the Eight of Swords. That's air energy. You in your head a little bit, kind of feeling stuck. Not really knowing which way to go. Being pulled in several directions, but it's just in your head. That's not really a happening, so you need to get out of your head. Better. So, like I said, you had the Eight of Swords first, and that is followed by the Six of Cups and the Ten of Cups. This is soulmate, twin flame, marriage energy. Maybe that's what you're thinking about, because you've got the Two of Pentacles here. That is also earth energy, and Taurus is earth energy. Trying to balance it, maybe. You got the infinity symbol. Looks like you've got one foot on the ground and one foot up in the air. Not really sure what decision to make. But the person that you're dealing with is showing up as the Princess of Pentacles. And that's a good thing. It is time to take a healthy selfishness and do what makes you happy and not everybody else. And that's part of this thing right here. And having people in your ear all the time is probably not the best way to go. And then you had the Death card. That does not mean the death of a person. This is Scorpio energy. That is death of a cycle. That could be the death of the past. And you could be, like with the Five of Swords, cutting your past out of your life and moving on. And then you've got the Prince of Cups, which is water energy. You could be making that decision and making an offer. Whether it be an offer of marriage, whether it be an offer of moving in with someone, repairing a relationship that you're already currently in, maybe separated from somebody at the moment. Not really sure what's going on with that. Let's find out why the Ten of Cups is here. Why is the Ten of Cups? This is the happy home, happy life, happy everything, full of abundance, love. Everything. This is everything. If you've been trying to manifest something, you got it. It's here. You have met the person that you've manifested and needed to be in your life. I think you've known this person before in a past life. Lots of Ten of Cups here. Oh, the Sun. Wow. Holy crap, finally a better reading. Got the Sun card, happiest card in the deck. That's Leo. May mean something, may not, but that is strength. The Sun is shining down on you. It's shining down on this Ten of Cups, so that tells me that with this, like I looks like you're trying to either balance a decision, make a decision, balance all the factors surrounding a decision or something that you've been thinking about or contemplating. But that's telling me that it's all systems go and it's shined down by the universe. So that's a good thing. The Princess of Pentacles. Let's take a look at the person that you're dealing with. Let's clarify this. Princess of Pentacles. These cards are very slick and they're sliding all over the place today. And it's breezy. I don't like that. Oh, yeah. Whew. The World card. The person that you're dealing with. You've completed all your karmic cycles. And this is divinely guided. And you also see this person as the world. This person can fulfill your every need. And let's face it, not all relationships are perfect. Not all people are perfect. But they can be perfect for you, and you can be perfect for them. It doesn't have to make sense to anybody else. Who cares what anybody else thinks? Nobody's going to care what you think. They're going to go on and live their happy little life, whether you're happy or not. So, who cares? Why is the Death card here? Let's find out about this Death card. Why's the Death card here? Actually, let's find out why the Five of Swords is here first. That's what I call the healthy selfishness. That's air energy. That's the Five of Swords here for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Oh, yeah. The Devil came out. And with the Five of Swords, you're picking up your swords and walking away. So, you may have felt in bondage before, in your past. And then the Death card shows up to tell you that you don't have to live in that past anymore. All your karmic cycles are complete, especially with this World card popping out. And then you have the Sun card. And it's telling you that this person that you're dealing with is your soulmate, twin flame, life partner, and that's who you're meant to be with. So it's okay to contemplate on that and then offer your little cup of love. There's nothing wrong with that. And it doesn't have to make sense to anybody else. It doesn't matter. You're the one who has to live it. So let's pull a couple of major arcanas for an outcome for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If this does not resonate, and it won't for everyone, this is a collective reading. You can always check out other tarot readers. You can also check out other signs in your birth chart. But if it does resonate, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and let me know. Ooh, the High Priestess is coming in here. Darkness into darkness is the key to all mystery. It's time to come into the light. The sun's out. All that bad crap's over. Let it go. Oh yeah, the Full card. This is also air energy. Leap of faith. You got the world in your hand there. It is what you make of it. So the decision is yours. Let's do one more. Interesting reading, Taurus. It's better than what we have been getting for other times. They've been kind of off the wall. Of course, with everything going on in the world right now, the energy is just like, ah! So, and as an empath, you pick up on all of it. It's almost like your glue and everything else is lint that's been flying around in a fan, and it just, it's rough. I'm telling you, everybody needs to check on your empaths. We're not okay. Oh, yeah, the Moon card. So things come to light, things that may have been hidden, things that you've had in your past may be coming to light, things that people are trying to bring back into your life. Don't need that. But you'll see it. You'll see it. The sun is shining, so everything you got going on in your beautiful mind is going to come to light. And it'll be shown to you. And it's telling me to do one more. They're talking today, aren't they? I mean, really? Does it get any better than that? I don't even need to go forward with that. Okay, let's do some romance angel cards for you real quickly. Let's see what we got going on. This will be the last reading I do today because I got things I got to go do. Woo. Stuff flying out here already, y'all. Jeez. Okay. Deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask. I take that along with this little full card here. You may have somebody running around in your world that is playing mind games, maybe on both sides of the fence, whispering in your ear, whispering in others' ear, trying to wreak havoc. That could be in anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be in a relationship. That could be family, friends, co-workers, somebody trying to screw up stuff for you. And let's face it, people do that. They do. It's happened to me 5 million times. And this flew out. Heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. That goes for the person that you're dealing with, whether it's a spouse, a fiance, a friend, a family member, children. It could be anything. Have those heart-to-hearts. If people are telling you things that they don't need to be and it's bothering you, don't be afraid to speak up for yourself or for anyone else for that matter. That's a big problem with a lot of people. They're afraid to speak up. Tell it like it is. If you want stuff to stop, put it to a stop. And that goes with attraction that came out. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So that tells me that you do deserve love and that you're adorable. You're lovable. And the person you're dealing with is also adorable and lovable. And they deserve love. And they're very good for you. So that's a good thing, right? I think it is. Alright, let's get a Nature's Whispers Oracle card. See what the Oracle has to say. Some advice for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for June 2020. Oh, wow. A bountiful harvest. So that tells me your relationship is bountiful when it comes to love, romance, money, assets, everything. You've got everything right here at your fingertips. You just have to make the move. You got the world in your hands. I had that another card in the tarot. New experiences and possibilities. So if you're at a doorway, open it. Don't stand there and look at it. It's going to stay closed. Duh. Alrighty. And now we're going to get 2 Archangel cards. Let's see what the Archangels has to say. The dog is over here snoring on the couch. My video must be boring. Overcoming difficulties and nurture. Overcoming difficulties. The worst is now behind you and you are surmounting any previous challenges. And as far as nurture, as you nurture a child, you nurture your own inner child. Both activities are important for you right now. Have some fun. Live life a little bit. All your karmic cycles are complete. All your past stuff is complete. It's time to move forward and enjoy yourself and enjoy life. Enjoy the person that you're with, because it looks like they enjoy you too. It's a good thing. But whoever this little deceptive individual is, either get rid of them or shut them up. One of the two, because they're going to keep at it until you do something about it. It's kind of like dealing with a bully until you stand up with them. They'll just keep on. Once you stand up to them and make it known, they move on. torture somebody else. All right, Taurus, that's all I've got for you today. I'm sorry it's short and sweet and to the point. But again, if you'd like a personal reading, the information is in the description box below. Email me at any time, and I will see you very soon.